Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis and I also bring videos like this. And please do not mind, I do not have any professional setup and I do not get time to edit my videos also. So I'm just sharing my knowledge. That's it. Okay. So without any delay, let's get started. So I have the chart of Shopify in front of me right now. Remember, uh, this video is not for day trading. This video is solely for investment purpose only. For those people who are planning to invest in Shopify or who have Shopify in their portfolio. So I'm not going into the fundamental analysis of balance sheet statement, cash flow statement. I'll be just analyzing it on the basis of chart. That's it. Okay. So Shopify right now trading at 1810.58. Quite a costly stock, no doubt. Beautiful trend. I'll say rather, yeah, good trend. Won't say very beautiful, but yeah, uptrend. There was a breakout here. Let's zoom out, okay, to understand the stock better. We all know no stock moves like this or like this. It follows a pattern, this in a wave. Overall, the trend is very nice. If you have got Shopify in your portfolio, then I'll say that do not think of coming out of the stock. Okay, it's like an asset. It's like an asset to your children. It's like an asset to yourself. It's like an asset to your family. So do not think of coming out of, because just look at the moment right now trading at 1800 level. It's not a joke. If we switch to 1 week time frame, hmm, it was trading at 200 level. Okay, it was trading at 200 level uh, 3 years ago, and right now trading at 1800. Just look at the up move. If you have got Shopify in your portfolio, then you must have made a huge money, and do not think of coming out of the stock. And if you are thinking about take a fresh position, then I'll say that right now it's not the right time. Okay, it's not the right time. It's in overbought level. Okay, let the stock cool down a little. Let the stock come to your price. So what will be the price? Okay, the price will be I'll say around 1500 level, because we can see that the stock is taking support. Whenever the stock is coming down to rest a little, it is taking support at a 50 period moving average. This blue line is the 50 period moving average. You can also apply this 50 period moving average in your trading platform, and if you do not have a trading platform, then you can use Tradingview. Free it's a free trading platform and very good. So it is taking support at a 50 period moving average. So right now trading at 1810 level. After a couple of days, when the stock will come down again, it will take support at the 50 period moving average. Then you can grab the stock. As of now, I cannot predict you the exact price. It will be around 1500 or 1600 level. Okay, that will be the best position to take a fresh trade. Right now, it is an overbought zone. Okay, just wait for a couple of days to initiate a fresh position. And if you have got Shopify in your portfolio right now, then just close your eyes and sleep. You don't need to look anywhere else. Uh, Very nice though. Okay, because you have seen the up move. I have shown you the up move in 3 years from 200 to 1800. So that's it. That's it with the Shopify. Okay. Hopefully you'll have understood the analysis and understood the what the chart told us. Okay. So if you have found the video informative and liked the video, then please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. It gives me encouragement so that I can bring more videos like this. Okay, and I also bring daily market analysis just before the market opens. So if you are a day trader, then also you can subscribe to my channel, uh, so that you can get the market analysis just before the market opens. Thank you so much.